9418, establish Lafarge Canada 08 lift.
November Whiskey Sierra 9418, tower, clear to land, runway 0 left.
It's runway 08 left, North 9418, thank you.
Denis LaBelle here with All Roads Construction. I'm here at YVR where our crews finish milling airside using 3D controls. As I mentioned a couple of years ago, All Roads really wanted to get into this type of work, which is precision milling. And here we are. This project in particular, we used a mmGPS, which is basically, for those who don't know, GPS is not that accurate, 2D GPS. It's accurate within an inch or two, where once you introduce the mmGPS, it's basically a laser that tightens up your northerns and eastings, which makes you more accurate within millimeters. The main thing I learned from this project is that technology is the future. It takes all the guesswork out of it. It makes you more professional, more accurate. There's not a lot of companies, very few, that use this type of technology on their milling machines or paving equipment. Separates us from our competitors and allows us to do work that they can't.
122, they got a tug issue. He says this push is canceled. You can proceed past your discretion if you've got control.